Hey guys, it's Brooke from Side Yarded, and today I'm feeling a little festive, so I'm going to be sharing with you my Rose Gold Christmas Sparkler. Let's dive in. What you'll need is a champagne flute. Start with a measured pour of Saint Germain for a touch of floral sweetness. Add just a splash of cranberry juice for a festive hint of color. Top it off with sparkling rose champagne to bring the fizz and holiday cheer. And here's the showstopper, rose gold edible glitter, adding a magical shimmer to every sip. Every bubble, every glimmer captures the festive spirit of the season, making this the ultimate holiday cocktail. This is the Rose Gold Christmas Sparkler. So that was it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.